Well, I got one end welded up. I'm getting ready to weld the other end. So let me put you back on the tripod and I'll do a time lapse for that one too. Well, I've got it all welded together. That end's still a little bit warm. Look at the pretty colors. Fixing to wire brush it so that'll go away and end up looking more like this end. And the reason I cleaned off so far was two purposes. One, make sure I had a good ground through the table, and also since I'm going to be welding it to that little bracket, I needed to have it cleaned off as far back as the little brackets that I'm going to weld to the legs. So that's it for now. Well, hey guys, I'm sorry. I guess I forgot to hit the go button when I welding the pieces on there. But now that they're there, ow, it's still a bit warm. And show you what it's going to look like. So now I get to mark where I need to clean. I guess I could just clean the whole damn thing, but see if that'll show up a little bit better. So I got it pretty much right in there. So let me clean that off and do a little bit more prep work, and I'll let you watch the rest of the MIG welding. Okay, I've got it in place with the wheels touching the ground. Once I put the feet on there, that'll get the wheels a little bit off the ground when it's sitting there, but as soon as I lean it back, of course the center is gonna pick it up and put it on the wheels. But anyway, let me put a few tacks in place, and then I'll pull the wheels off and weld it up. think I forgot the gas again. Hey, when that happens. I think that should hold it. I'll go over that just one more time. There we go. Now, one wheel off. Another wheel off. Now the wheels won't melt. At least I hope they won't. Dang that touchy trigger. Not perfect, but not terrible. I think that should hold it. Then I get to somehow figure out how to flip it up and weld the bottom sides. That should be fun. Well, before I figure out how to weld the bottom sides, I figured I'd let you get a good look at my ugly welds. The camera will focus and my hands stay steady. Now, if I were smart, I would have already had the feet plates cut out so I can go ahead and weld them on. But, of course, I'm not that smart. I just sort of do things as they come along. So, while this thing is coming along, let's go ahead and get it done. Not perfect. I picked a bad spot, starting spot. There we go. All right. Now you get to see the back of my head and my bald spot. maybe not, I don't know. I think that might just hold. Put one on down here. Just a little extra glob of metal to help keep it together, I guess. That just might accidentally work. Oh, what the hell. Ugly, but it'll help. Every little bit counts, right? I bet that'll hold it. So, I'm through MIG welding for the time being, so more later.